The third edition of the Meghalaya Pineapple Festival was inaugurated on Friday at Delhi Hut. The festival was officially opened by Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Union Agriculture and Rural Development Minister, alongside Conrad K. Sangma, Chief Minister of Meghalaya. The event marked a major stride in market connectivity as the government of Meghalaya signed 3 major memoranda of understanding with Reliance Fresh, Amazon Karikar and Blue Tokai coffee roasters. Shivraj Singh Chauhan praised the state's farming practices, stating, "The products of Meghalaya are almost fully organic." He congratulated the state government and the Chief Minister for their efforts, assuring full support from the central government.
स्वाद भी बेमिसाल है। मैं सबसे अपील करता हूँ कि इस पाइन एप्पल को आप एक बार जरूर ट्राई करें। एक बार अगर ये खाएंगे तो बार बार खाएंगे। मेघालय के किसानों को और विशेषकर मुख्यमंत्री जी को मैं बधाई देता हूं कि इस पाइन एप्पल को ये महोत्सव के रूप में पूरे देश में और अब दुनिया में पहुंचाने का काम कर रहे हैं और हम भी आपके साथ हैं।
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma focused on the festival's growing success and its importance for farmers. He noted that Meghalaya produces approximately 1.5 lakh metric tons of pineapples annually and has invested in over 27 cold storages and 8 processing hubs to add value to its produce, emphasizing the goal to meet international quality standards. The new MOUs, he added, will provide vital logistical support to connect produce from across the Northeast to national and international markets.
Encouraging the state government, encouraging the farmers to take this program forward, and with the support of Honorable Prime Minister, the lives of the farmers is completely and drastically now changing, and the goal and the vision of Honorable Prime Minister to double the income of the farmers is not a far dream at all. Would like to give the invitation to all the citizens of Delhi, our capital, to please come and experience the culture of Meghalaya, the pineapple of Meghalaya, and also the lovely music of Meghalaya.
विजनरी और डायनेमिक चीफ मिनिस्टर आदरणीय श्री कानराड के संगमा जी आज दिल्ली की हवाओं में भी मेघालय की महक महसूस की जा रही है। यहाँ की हवाएं, यहाँ की फिजाएं आज मेघालय का अनानास भी देख रही है। अच्छा, मुझे ये तो पहले से पता था कि मेघालय में बहुत अच्छा अनानास होता है, पाइनएप्पल, लेकिन आज जब मैंने खाया तो मैं खाते ही रह गया। जब मैं सोच रहा था एक पीस के बाद फिर और भी पीस आएंगे, लेकिन शायद उन्होंने सोचा कि ये मंत्री है तो ज्यादा खाएगा नहीं। ऐसा रस और ऐसी मिठास पाइन एप्पल में मैंने कभी देखी नहीं। ये मिठास मेघालय की माटी की है। और संगमा जी, ये रस केवल रस नहीं है, मेघालय का प्रेम है पूरे हिंदुस्तान के लिए, पूरे भारत के लिए।
The festival also unveiled Meghalaya's vision at 2032 for the agriculture sector, a strategy to transform the state into a $16 billion economy. This vision includes a 5-year plan to improve farm infrastructure, promote crop diversification, and boost farmer incomes through market-based models. The state has already seen success with over 682 metric tons of processed pineapples exported in 2024 to the European Union, Gulf, and Southeast Asia. The festival features curated stalls from Meghalaya's cooperatives, live tastings, and cultural performances by musicians from the Chief Minister's Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project. The musicians are scheduled to perform at both Delhi Hut and India Gate throughout the festival. Organized by the Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of Meghalaya, the festival is a platform for celebrating natural farming and empowering farmers. News Desk, Hub News.
Oy sengbo, chaani ko apsan tochi jo tai na skang sengbo. Yan nang ni BNB mangna aro ancing ni samtang na namja. Anda kapat ko chaani chi dengtang sabisi ko manama. Yan da kapat orang ko basa ko ba di jakal na paltaya, soe gala aro nala rango pake gala. Di ba daw de? Ruko ya repurpose use cooking oil ni skimo ya toko biodiesel tari nagta jakal gen. Unigaman sengbo antang ni BNB mang aro nang ni samtang ko name rakibo.